Hey everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today I've got something super useful for every bike and car owner, a professional puncture repair kit. Yes, that I have ordered online recently, so if you are someone who loves long drives or just want to be tension-free while riding, this is good to be must-have tool in your garage. So let's unbox it and check all its the tools inside. I'm going to review this. So firstly, let's begin with unboxing. Here's inside the box. Here we got our professional puncture kit. That's it, nothing inside. So here in the box we get this pretty compact and easy to carry a small handbag. Let's see what we'll get inside. Whoa. First we get the T-handle spiral broke tool. Here you can see this is used to clean and widen the puncture hole. Yes, here you can see we just have to insert in the tire to widen the hole. Okay, next then we get this T-handle insertion tool, which is used to insert the rubber strip into your tire. Yes, I think we also get the rubber strip. Yes, here you can see we also get a small tube of rubber solution, or we can also call the adhesive, that helps in sealing the puncture. We got two solutions, tire solutions. It's smelling like tire. Yeah, so this will help in sealing the puncture. And next, I think this is a wiper. We got this cutter blade to trim off the extra strip after repair, and we got this fishing pliers. They are just used to remove hooks, cut lines. Next we got the best thing. This is a instruction manual, just we have to follow the instructions. And this is the cycle tube solutions. So basically this small box carries everything you need to repair a tubeless tire puncture on the spot. Yes, talking about the build quality, this T-handle tools are made of strong steel with a comfortable grip, so they won't bend easily then when you are working on a tough tire. As you can see, it is built of very strong plastic, and you can see this one also. And these repair sticks are thick and durable, designed to withstand high pressure once fixed. And the best part, this kit is super portable. You can keep in your car glove box or even in your bike side box, so it can be fit anywhere and easy to carry. So alright, suppose you are on ride and suddenly your tire gets punctured, so here's this kit, save the day. So I can say this professional puncture kit is absolutely worth having instead of waiting for roadside help or towing your vehicle from someone. So this is the best way you can fix a puncture yourself in just few minutes. Only thing is this works best for tubeless tires, guys, so remember this one. This toolkit is for only tubeless tires, not for tube tires. And for small to medium punctures, for sidewall damage or tube tires, you will still need a mechanic. But overall, for cars, bikes or scooters, this is the must-have emergency kit or accessories. So that was the unboxing and reviewing of the professional puncture kit repair kit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to our TechnoWaves for more awesome tech and tool reviews. Thanks for watching, guys.